This creature is always thirsty.
Dropping off the last load. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
Put your back in it. Back. I'm joking. We had a very, very good truck. This truck gave us no trouble.
125.
The only thing we gonna miss is this truck. I should be helping, by the way. So you got everything, huh?
I guess so.
While I'm just here recording.
Why am I so sad?
I don't know. We're here. Yes, we're good people. We drop our truck off. We don't just leave it at a truck stop.
I love him.
We love this
He's a
truck.
good truck.
We couldn't just leave it at a truck stop. That was not okay for our baby. But yeah. On the terminal. Bye, buddy.
God, please protect whoever gets this truck.
Oh, that's cute.
Safe.
Amen. Bye, buddy.